This video will show the tooling module to tooling plate installation using our captive knob fasteners. Thank you for joining us at SRS Industries. This is one of a series of videos we offer. Our captive knobs will allow you to perform fast changes and setups, as well as eliminating lost clamping knobs or hardware. No tools required. We are not going to walk you through the actual panel mounting preparation because we have a separate video on it. See videos threaded hole knob installation or single or slotted hole retainer ring installation. For additional information, visit our website at srsindustries.com or call us at 630-569-5007. Make sure all of your captive knob fasteners are installed to the base of your module. In these photos and videos, you will notice that we are using our captive knob fasteners with the threaded collet. Either the threaded or the retainer ring collet install will perform the same securing concept. Look at the bottom side of your module. You will see that the threaded attachment shaft of the fasteners are retracted into the collet, which gives you a flush surface on the bottom side. By having a flush surface on the bottom side, it will allow you to slide your module across the surface of your attachment tooling plate without lifting the module from its surface. Secure your module to your attachment tooling plate by placing downward pressure on the captive fastener. Tighten the fastener until secure. The captive fastener will allow you to unfasten your module from the tooling plate, and the fastener will always stay captive to the module. To unfasten the module, unscrew the fastener knob until it is released from your attachment tooling plate. The fastener will snap to the unfastened position. The fastener will always stay captive to the module. Use the knobs as grip handles to remove or slide the module to its new position. See all of our series of videos by going to our website, YouTube, or Facebook. We have many variations of captive knob fasteners and types of usage configurations. See you on our next video. It's SRS Industries, 630-569-5007.